In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop shadow to text on Adobe Express. If you want your text to stand out more and feel a little more polished, adding a drop shadow is a simple way to do it. It can help improve contrast, make headlines easier to read, and give your design a bit more depth without changing too much. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can apply the effect quickly and adjust it to match your design. First, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the design or page where the text you want to edit is located. This makes it easier to preview the changes right away and see how the shadow looks against your background. Next, click on the text you want to edit. Once the text is selected, Adobe Express will show you the editing controls for that text element. Be sure you've selected the correct text box before moving on, especially if your project has multiple text layers. After that, go to the editing panel on the left side and look for the Effects tab. Click on Effects to open the available text effect options. This is where you can apply visual styles that change the appearance of your text without needing to recreate it manually. Now find the shadow section. In that area, choose one of the available drop shadow options. As soon as you click on a shadow style, it will automatically be applied to your text. This is helpful because you can instantly see the result and decide whether it fits the look you're going for. If the background is busy or your text needs more separation, a drop shadow can make a noticeable difference. If you want to customize the way the shadow looks, go back to the left panel and click the slider button on the shadow effect you selected. This opens the shadow settings, where you'll see an option to change the shadow color. Adjusting the color can help you create a softer, bolder, or more natural-looking effect depending on your design. For example, a darker shadow usually creates stronger contrast, while a more subtle color can look smoother and more modern. Take a moment to preview the updated text and make sure the effect looks balanced with the rest of your layout. Small design changes like this can have a big impact on readability and style. And that's it. That's how to add a drop shadow to text on Adobe Express.